So, I got something super cool for you, for everyone listening in today too. Hey everyone, welcome to the Talk English podcast. I'm John.
And I'm Sarah, and whether you're walking or, cooking or just simply relaxing, we are just absolutely thrilled, really thrilled to have you with us today.
Today's episode, it's really the beginning of something pretty special. We're actually starting a 3-part series called Rewire Your Brain to Learn Better.
And this episode, it's absolutely perfect for beginner English learners. So if you're just getting started, just stay with us. We'll explore how your brain actually works and how habits are just formed and how to use these tools really to learn English more easily and just so naturally.
Oh, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel so, you can follow the whole series. All right, let's just dive in.
John, do you ever feel like your day is just a loop? You wake up and you scroll your phone and then you eat and then you scroll again, then suddenly it's just bedtime?
All the time. And I realized I wasn't really, living, just repeating.
That's what we just call running on autopilot, doing things, automatically without even thinking. It just happens when your brain creates, these shortcuts for repeated actions. Run on autopilot just means to do something without thinking, for example, after working for years at the same job, she started to run on autopilot.
Now here's the amazing part. Your brain really learns from repetition. When you repeat something daily, your brain just, says, let's make this easier.
And this actually brings us to our first key idea, neuroplasticity. That's a big word, but it simply means your brain can just change and adapt through experience. So neuroplasticity is, your brain's ability to change and learn new things.
So, how do we actually use neuroplasticity to learn English?
Oh, that's such a great question. The answer, small daily habits. For example, listen to a podcast for just 5 minutes every day, or write one short sentence in English, or, just learn just one new word per day.
When you do these tiny actions, again and again, your brain actually creates a stronger pathway. That's how a habit forms, right?
You don't need motivation to start. You just need to start. Motivation, it really comes later. A habit is, something you do often, usually without even thinking.
Think of it, like brushing your teeth. You don't wait to feel inspired. You just do it. And the more you do it, the easier it becomes.
And don't worry if it feels hard at first. That's totally normal. Learning a new language it's just like training a new muscle. It just gets stronger over time. Let's talk about another key part of learning, focus.
Your focus is like a flashlight. Wherever you point it, that part of your brain grow stronger.
So if you focus on learning English, your brain just gets better at it. But if you always scroll Instagram or TikTok, your brain it becomes good at just scrolling. So focus just means to give attention to one thing.
Today we challenge you to do one short task in English with full focus. No distractions. Maybe, listen to a short story or repeat a sentence out loud.
And after this podcast, watch our video, Why You're Not Improving in English. You'll just find the link above. It absolutely breaks down some big mistakes that just stop people from learning faster.
Another great way to grow your English is, learning to describe your emotions.
A lot of beginners use only a few words, happy, sad, or angry. But English, it has so many great emotional words.
Let's try a few today. Upset means a little sad or worried. Frustrated means, annoyed because something isn't working. And excited means very happy about something that's going to happen.
When you learn to name your feelings, you just understand yourself better, and you sound, more natural in English too. Try using these, in your own sentences after the episode. For example, I felt frustrated when I didn't understand the movie. Let's just talk about something really, really important, your inner voice. That little voice like in your head that says things like, I can't speak well, or, I'll never learn this.
That voice, it has power. But here's the good news. You can train it.
Replace negative thoughts with like positive ones. For example, instead of I'm bad at English, say I'm still learning, and that's okay.
This is called positive self-talk, and it can completely change the way your brain learns. Practice this, every morning. Say one kind thing to yourself in English.
Wow, we've just covered a lot today. So let's review. Your brain is like flexible. It just learns through repetition. So, that's neuroplasticity. Small daily actions they build powerful habits. Focus grows what you pay attention to. Learning emotional words it really helps you express yourself. And positive self-talk it boosts your learning confidence.
And remember, you don't need to be perfect. You just need to keep going, one step at a time.
If you found this episode, helpful, give us a like and subscribe. Your support, it really helps us make more and more great content for learners like you.
After this episode, go check out why you're not improving in English. The link is up above. It connects perfectly with, what we talked about.
And next time in like episode 2, we'll just take things to the intermediate level. We'll talk about how to like build strong habits, stay consistent, and even like shift your identity as an English learner.
It's going to be powerful. So, stick around. See you in the next episode.